Hi guys, I'm PizzaTrainKenz. I'm doing a Q&A question and answer. And my mum, please can you do it reading the comments, the questions, please?
Who is your favourite YouTuber and why?
My favourite YouTuber is Astab because I met him in real life. He was epic.
The second is from Fion_Alice_Humphreys. Do you like YouTube and why?
I love YouTube, and if I have no YouTube channel, I'm not PizzaTrainKenz like that.
And next is from Fiona Adams, whose birthday is today.
Happy birthday, Fiona.
What and who inspired you to become a YouTuber?
Stampy, I watched it first, and I want to be a YouTuber then I just came to here. God.
How did you come up with your name, PizzaTrainKenz?
I love pizzas, I love trains, and my name is Kenz. PizzaTrainKenz.
Lily.Pickerance next. What year are you in school?
I'm in year 6. I'm going to high school next year.
And from Sophie Jane 343, who is your favourite Disney character and why?
I don't like Disney films, and I have one is Inside Out. I love Joy because she's fun and active every time. If you like the video, subscribe to me, PizzaTrainKenz. If you want more Q&A questions, please can you do it in the comments below. Thanks. Bye bye.